The sixth-generation fighter jet represents a paradigm shift in aerial warfare, moving beyond incremental improvements to a fundamentally different operational concept. Key defining features include enhanced multispectral stealth, advanced sensor fusion and artificial intelligence, directed energy weapons, and network-centric warfare capabilities. Enhanced stealth in sixth-generation aircraft extends beyond radar cross-section reduction. It incorporates techniques to minimize infrared, visual, and electronic emissions, making the aircraft significantly harder to detect across a wider range of sensors. Advanced sensor fusion and AI enable the aircraft to process and integrate data from multiple sources, providing a comprehensive situational awareness picture. This allows for faster, more accurate decision-making in complex combat scenarios. Directed energy weapons, such as high-energy lasers, offer the potential for near-limitless ammunition and pinpoint accuracy, enabling rapid engagement of multiple targets. Network-centric warfare capabilities allow the sixth-generation fighter to act as a central node in a network combat system, controlling and coordinating the actions of unmanned aerial vehicles, UAVs, other aircraft, and ground-based assets. Adaptive engine cycles optimize engine performance for various flight regimes, enhancing fuel efficiency and maneuverability. Morphing wing technology allows for dynamic adjustments to wing shape, optimizing aerodynamic performance for different flight conditions. The U.S. Next Generation Air Dominance (NGAD) program emphasizes a system of systems approach, integrating the fighter with a range of supporting platforms. The UK's Tempest program, in collaboration with Italy and Japan, focuses on advanced sensors, AI, and directed energy weapons. China and Russia are also developing sixth-generation fighters, highlighting the global importance of this technology. If you are enjoying this content, please hit that like and subscribe button to support us in making more such content. You can share your thoughts and comments as well. Sixth-generation fighters achieve superiority over 4.5 and fifth-generation aircraft through several key advantages. Their multispectral stealth significantly reduces detection ranges, allowing them to operate closer to enemy assets without being detected. Advanced sensor fusion and AI enable them to process and react to information faster than human pilots, providing a decisive advantage in complex engagements. Directed energy weapons offer the potential for rapid, precise engagements, overwhelming enemy defenses. Network-centric warfare capabilities allow them to coordinate and control a wider range of assets, maximizing combat effectiveness. Compared to 4.5-generation fighters, sixth-generation aircraft have vastly superior sensor suites, reduced signatures, and greater information processing capabilities. Compared to fifth-generation aircraft, sixth-generation fighters add directed energy weapons, more robust network integration, and increased autonomy, while pushing the boundaries of stealth even further. The development of sixth-generation fighters represents a significant investment in the future of air power. As technology continues to advance, we can expect even more incredible capabilities, including enhanced autonomy, hypersonic flight, and advanced materials. This technology also raises important ethical considerations regarding autonomous weapons and the potential for escalation.